and welcome to this 90s bombshell look. So you guys were really interested in this makeup that I did for my FOXYBAE 90s bombshell hair, so this is the look I'm bringing to you. It's a little different because it's been months since I've done that tutorial and I just won it that day, but this is all the best that I could remember. I'm just taking my Gorgeous Cosmetics neutral custom shade palette and taking this brown right here and placing it all over my lid. This is a fairly simple, easy look. You guys have seen me do my foundation dozens of times, so I decided to skip that, and I put contacts in because I feel like a lot of models in the 90s had this like olive toned colored eyes, but you can keep your brown eyes in. I only did that for the effect. If you don't have colored eyes, no worries, they're just as beautiful. Now I'm just taking this flesh tone color eyeshadow and placing it underneath my brow bone area, and also this Jeffree Star Cosmetics Weirdo lip liner. It's eye safe. And with this black eyeshadow from that same Customs shadow palette, I'm taking a card and just running this through my eyes up on the top lash line, and I'm just going to be smoking it out like so. I use different camera angles just to get a different view, but I'll go back to my normal settings if you guys aren't really interested in this. I just wanted to do something different. And also I'm just going to keep blending, and that is all I did. That's what I remember I did. I know So I'm just taking a little bit of the eyeliner and putting this on my waterline just to give your eyes that elongated eye look we like to refer as the Bella Hadid eyes. So now I'm just taking this eyelash curler and the Essence of Argan, and this is a mascara. It's not that great, but I'm going to be putting magnetics on. And I know I was wearing magnetic lashes for the first look from my 90s bombshell hair tutorial, but they were one strip lashes, and these go like, well, I mean not one strip but half strip, and these are full strip. So that's just the difference. I felt like these elongated my eyes a little bit more, which is strange because since those are half strip lashes, but I couldn't find those lashes, so this is the best I could do. And I mean, it doesn't change the look that much. So just basically magnetics are, you put them on top of each other and then they just kind of like stick together. I had a bake on, so now I'm just going to be wiping away my bake as well. And I'm going to be moving on to the face. I skipped foundation, so I'm just going to show you what I did for the cheeks and whatnot. But this is how the eyes look. It's really pretty. I'm taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer to warm up my face and sculpt it. As you can see, I'm using the brush that it came with just to get my cheekbones to look nice and sharp like a 90s supermodel or bombshell. So now I'm just going to be running it more on my cheeks, and it gives me that tan look. But then I'm going to be taking a different blush to make the cheeks look a little bit more rosy. And this is the Tea Rose Balani blush. So there's so many different type of 90s supermodels looks, and I feel like people do the same ones. So I try to do something a little bit different every now and then. But yeah, if you want to see more, just say more. I'm filling in my birthmark that I have right there because I felt like I lost it. And I'm taking my Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I love this so much. It's such a good highlighter. Just a little bit. They weren't big on highlighter back then, but I felt like my face looked really flat. Then I'm setting it all together with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Then taking the Marc Jacobs lip liner in the color called Nudeist. And I love this lip liner because you can subtly overline your lips without looking crazy, and it just makes your lips look fuller. I just have like a weak top lip. My bottom lip is a little fuller than my top lip, so I always like to even them out, not too crazy or anything. Then I'm taking this shade 560 by Maybelline, and it's just kind of like a brick red color. I know I used this lipstick, and I mixed a little bit of Bare from Buxom, which these are my favorite matte lipsticks ever. I love these so much. I'm not sure if they're discontinued, which is why I use the Maybelline one too. It's pretty much the same shade. I just was gonna be out all day, so I wanted to use this lipstick, but look at how beautiful that lipstick is. I mean, just look at it. It's so pretty. It's smooth too. But basically that is it for my 90s bombshell makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just let me know what else you'd like to see, and I will see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye!